Hey, Google TV.
They're all behind the counter, but take me to the counter is just here. And then you've got 4 of them in stock. If you just show them this at the front counter, they're just behind.
Easy. Cheers. Thank you.
Oh.
Hey.
It's a clear pouch.
$149 flat ice?
No thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll forward it to you. Shane, could you help me getting another one of these?
How you going?
Man.
How you been?
Yeah, pretty good. And
Yeah. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Busy? Always. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine. That's good. That's good.
Weavy magic.
Yep. I'll get it sorted for you.
Yeah, excellent.
Keeps on though, you're not cold.
Nah, I'm not. It's not that bad. It's been a bit chilly lately.
It's not bad, that's true.
It's been a bit chilly lately though. Our weather's all over the place down here. But yeah, I need to get a hoodie and brand it, like a business branded hoodie. But I just haven't been to the clothes shop in a fair while. How's everything else been going? The TV's been working fine?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, the printer's going good.
Yep. Have you been going out much? Have you been staying home lately because of the weather?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of a consideration a bit.
Yeah, we've had some rainy days.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So do you go to church at all?
Yeah, I do on Sundays.
Which one?
Door Hope.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Door Hope. So at 5 o'clock,
Oh yeah.
they have service there. It normally goes for about an hour and a half, and then
Yeah.
everyone stays back and chats and
Yeah.
catches up. Yeah.
Yeah, we go to Punch Bowl Bible Chapel.
Oh, okay. Every Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And is that a morning or afternoon?
Morning.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice.
So a lot of young people in your church, yeah?
Yeah, it's mainly young people actually.
And
Yeah, which is good. They're all very nice people there as well. I kind of started getting back into church for a sort of good community sense, and then I started going there, and then I started just meeting more and more people and asking more and more questions, and now I'm just going every Sunday, so it's good.
You haven't found a wife there?
No, I haven't found a wife there. I'm not in the wife time at the moment. I'm a bit young for the whole wife thing, so we're kind of yeah.
But still, when you're setting up a business, it's
A lot of
you need to give it your best.
a lot of time goes into the business as well. But it's good.
But how is your garden care side of things?
Good. So I have people that work for me that do that. So I have people that their actual profession is landscaping and that sort of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the industry that they're in. And then also have people that have worked for X amount of years, like to the point where they're sort of like an older demographic, and they work through landscaping and handyman services.
Yep, yep.
So I've got all sorts of people. I can bring young landscapers in or older landscapers in. I've got them all.
There's a need for that.
Yeah, definitely.
Particularly just lawn mowing and cleaning up gardens. So how much do your workers charge per hour?
So I'll do a flat rate on the actual job. So if you're wanting garden work done, I can definitely get it sorted for you, and we can do it at a good price, considering I've been out here a couple of times. And
If your guy, for example,
Yep.
comes
Yep.
and says, we will do this, we'll come once a month,
yep,
and that'll cost you whatever it is.
yeah. Well, that's something we do.
Almost a fixed rate thing.
Yeah, we can do regular visits. It's normally quoted on a fixed rate because sometimes the job can be like, quicker than another job. So it's normally just a flat rate, but I like to be reasonable with the people that, I do work for. So yeah. I mean, your front garden looks good. I mean, it could be a little bit of a trim, but I'd say that'd be the most with most of these gardens around here. I mean, yeah, I might come back out here and hand out my green flies and chuck it in the
do that.
letterboxes.
See, most people, because they have problems getting somebody, they just let it grow wild.
Yep.
And the shrubs have to be, they're mainly shrubs and not trees, but they really need a drastic cut, but they do it once a year.
Yep.
And it really should be done every 6 months or 3 months.
Yeah, definitely.
So, yeah, anyway,
Yeah.
that's life.
Well, we can always organise that. If you want the garden touched up a little bit, it'd be quite a quick job, I'd assume, because you haven't got a lot of overgrowth or anything going on.
That's right.
But yeah, it's all doable.
We've just plodded along with this bit by bit.
Yep.
When you say switch it on,
Yep.
is that going to bring up the regular TV too from that?
So they'll bring this up. So this will bring up Google TV. So your regular TV. So do you have certain channels that you watch on regular TV? Or it's just whatever.
There are.
Yep. So with the regular TV, how this works is all these apps are free-to-wear apps. So this one here, which is 7plus, 9 Now, and ABC iView, 10 Play, SBS On Demand, they're all normal channels actually on the TV. But with these, the thing is with these, if you click on these, it will actually show you a list of everything that actually plays on that channel. So you don't actually need to go to your free-to-wear channel and wait till like 7 o'clock to watch like Home and Away or something, for example, right? You can go on this app and it will show you everything that actually plays on the app, and you can click on a series and watch a whole series instead of waiting once a week for a new episode. So it has all of what plays on that channel for you to access at any time. It even has like sports games and all that sort of stuff. So that's just one app.
So how does that work? Can you go right back to switching on the TV?
Yep. So if we turn the TV off like this, and then with the little power button down here on the left side, click on. So I made it so this remote actually powers the TV as well, instead of the normal remote over there. So
we get that.
Yeah, it takes you to this. This is called your home page.
So if we want to watch, for instance, Channel 7 News.
Yep. So so it'd take you there, and what you do is you go down, like on there. That's your little pad, and then it'll take you to your apps. When something's highlighted, that means you're on it.
So the regular channel Southern Cross, Town and all that is an app.
It's in apps.
It's in the app.
So you can actually watch everything that's normally on that, and you don't have to wait for a certain time on that. So if you went to 7plus, which is Southern Cross, I assume still, it would show, Farmer Wants a Wife or The Rookie or, other sort of shows that are on that. And then if I was to click on one of these apps, so The Rookie, for example, it also has, on your normal TV, you have channels like, 7 Now, 7 Mate, and that sort of stuff.
Right,
They're actually already playing here. So there's a live section. So the 7 News at 4 is on right now if we were to go to free-to-air TV. So I can click on that. Just this middle button here. So on these, and then on 7 too. So if you wanted all the 7 stuff, just go to the 7 Now app, and you can go down and show the live TV. But what I'll do is I'll set those up so you can access those, because normally you have to have an account. So I'll do that before I go.